Here is why CCTV installers fail at marketing. You keep seeing ads pushing Google ads, Meta ads, SEO services, pay-per-lead models, and you probably tried at least one of them and walked away feeling like it was a waste of money. I get it. So let me walk you through each one and show you exactly what the numbers look like. For Google ads, you're paying around $70 per lead. Conversion rate is roughly 80%, which actually means you're paying under $90 per booked jobs. That's acceptable. But here's the catch. To get Google working properly in a competitive market, you need to commit at least $5,000 a month before the algorithm has enough data to optimize. Most installers don't have that runway. And being on the tools all day means you will miss calls. One missed call on Google, that's $70 gone before you even had the conversation. Meta ads, cheapest leads you will find, anywhere from $5 to $11 each. Sounds great until you look at what's actually in those leads. About 90% tire kickers. No real intent. You didn't find them. You interrupted that scrolling at 9 o'clock at night. To make Meta work, you need a system that filters the time wasters and enough time in your day to respond quickly. Without that, you're just buying conversations, not jobs. Finally, lead sellers. I understand the frustration that gets you here. You've tried the other options. Nothing's clicked. And at least this way, someone's handing you the leads. You pay about $40 to $50 for each lead. About 40% of them are worth talking to. So you make it work because at least the phone's ringing. But here is what nobody tells you. Those same leads go to 6 other installers. You're competing on price before you have said a word. And the moment you stop paying, the phone stops ringing. You got nothing to show for it. No assets, nothing. So you got 3 options. Google works but needs serious budget and instant response time. Meta, cheap to start, but time consuming and full of noise without the right system. Lead sellers, you're paying to fight your competitors for the cheapest quote on every single job. All 3 have the same problem. The moment you stop paying, the business stops. No assets, no compounding, just a bill and a quiet phone. So what actually builds something that belongs to you? Local SEO. Now, before you say SEO doesn't work, I'm with you. That word has been chewed up so badly you can't trust it anymore. But SEO has changed significantly, especially after AI took over the way people search. We don't just focus on your website anymore, because honestly, that alone doesn't move the needle. We focus on your Google business profile. Why? Because Google is actively pushing GBP results to the top of the searches. When someone types CCTV installer near me, what comes up first isn't a website. It's a map. It's profiles, it's reviews. Here is why local SEO is different from everything else on that list. First, you own it. No cost per click, no cost per lead, a flat monthly investment in building something that belongs to your business permanently. An asset that grows over time instead of disappearing the moment you stop paying. Second, AI recommends your business. When someone asks Google Maps or an AI assistant who the best CCTV installer nearby is, that answer comes from your local signals, reviews, profile strength, posting activity, and proximity. We built that profile, so you're the one being recommended, not the company with the biggest ad budget. Third, local trust builds commercial jobs. You get inquiries from your area, not from 100 kilometers away. And for commercial work specifically, business owners are not clicking on 10% off ads. They're going through your reviews, your case studies, your profile history before they even pick up the phone. Commercial jobs come through credibility. Local SEO is how you build it. If you want to know what it would take to become the go-to CCTV installer in your area, book a free strategy call. We will look at your current local presence and show you exactly where the gaps are.